it will be an enhanced quarantine during which the movement of everyone will be significantly limited. Work in public and private sectors shall be limited to a work-at-home arrangement. If such an arrangement is not feasible, kung pwede mo matrabaho ito, tingi sa bahay mo, okay. Pero kung wala na, if you have no choice, you have to stay home. You have to contribute to the fight. Lahat tayo may kontribusyon. Ako, ikaw, lahat tayo magbigay ng kanya-kanyang gift to the government, and that is by obeying the laws, obeying the regulations. Everyone will stay at home, leaving their houses only to buy food, medicine, and other basic necessary for survival in the coming days. Only such establishment will provide these basic necessities and services will be open. Do not be scared about this. Huwag kayong matakot na ganito. Pwede man kayong lumabas, magbili ng pagkain, and if the eateries and the mga restaurants, mga karinderya are able to operate, so by all means.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.